I'm right here in the graveyard of the Titanic, where the folks are buried from the Titanic. They buried them right here in this graveyard in Halifax, and these are the tombstones of those people. You know, all these people here they died in 1912, as you can see, and they were all people from the Titanic. Yeah, right here in the graveyard, and it's so sad to see, but it's the graveyard. It's a grave place. Yeah, of the Titanic, the White Star Line. You see all of them. You notice that they all have 1912 on them. These were the people that were on the boat on the ship at that time. You know, they all died and they buried them right here in Halifax, in this graveyard here. You see the graveyard here? This is where they all are. This is all of these people here, all these tombstones. Where they come and they rescue them people. When I'm finished at the end of this video, I'm going to make sure I go and take a picture of the words and the writing of the Titanic people. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go take it right now before it get dark. I'll take a picture of the thing first, the tombstone, and then you can see it right from there. So I'll go there right now. This is the graveyard. This is the graveyard right here in Halifax. 1912. This was in April 15, 1912. You see all of them have 1912 on them, 1850, 1912. These are the ones that got buried. Then I'll try to get a shot of the plaque they have in the front of the graveyard here. And maybe you would see it. Oh, yeah, my cousin have a light there shining. And this is what they have here. Look at it. You see? There's all the inscription of the plaque that they were talking about the people that died on the Titanic ship at that time. Yeah, the White Star Line. This is it right here. See the Titanic right there? Yes. It's right here in Nova Scotia. Halifax, Nova Scotia. And there's a big plaque over here also. The only place you would find that. Yeah, my cousin? Right here. See? If you want to read the inscription, you can read it. It's right here. And I'll let you read it whenever you want to, so you can see. That's right. That's it right there. Right there. Straight across. And you can read it if you can catch it, so.
Pause the camera.
These are the people. These are the people right there.
You can pause the video and read it.
You can pause the video and read it, that's right. So there we go. That's the plaque, and then you walk through the graveyard while there's still a little bit of light. And you can see it's right in section 3 in this graveyard here. It's called the Titanic Survivors Graveyard. I mean, you know, the people that died, not the survivors, but the deaths of the people here. Still a little bit of light. And I got it right here, Titanic gravesite. See, it's right there. See it there? Right, it's right there. Titanic gravesite. It's a once in a lifetime thing. Check it all out. All from 1912. All these people here were buried here in 1912. April 15, 1912. All along the side here. You can see. Some people came along and they put flowers, like these ones here, right on the grave for memory of the people that died. Yes, yes. And the funny thing is, my cousin lived right down the road from here, and I never knew that. So my wife brought it up and said, let's go visit the Titanic graveyard. And here we are, right down the street from her, in the Titanic graveyard, the gravesite. All these people are buried. Right up in here. Right here. So this is them right here. 1912 SS Titanic. Right there. They brought them here and buried them. This is their resting site. Yep. This is their resting site. Right here. And it goes all the way down here. And all the way over here too. This is all the graves of the people that die in the Titanic. So there we go. Boy, this was something else. Better believe it, folks. Everybody have their resting place, they say. And this is the resting site for the people that died in the cold, chilling waters. Right there right off the coast of Nova Scotia. Around there. So these are the people that literally die in the waters around here from the SS Titanic. So you best believe this. This is how it works. And that is the Titanic right there. Somebody put a the Titanic, a drawing of the Titanic right on the graveside. Sidney Lacy Goodwin. And they made a little thing of the Titanic and put on it. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. We're in the graveyard here. The evening time, the sun is just setting right now. Evening time. And we are catching it. We're catching it. My wife, and my cousin are right here looking at the graves. And they're right over there still looking. See them over here? They're looking. All of us are looking. It's this beautiful day, beautiful summer day here in August. So August 4th, has to be precise. Yes. Me, my wife, and my cousin just looking at the Titanic graves. Right here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. It's another memorable moment, folks. I guess they say that's the way it goes. But you know what? We're just going to take in this moment of solemn and just see what it brings and just take it in. You know, pay homage to the deaths and the people that went on a beautiful day. They're going on a nice cruise and just hit the Titanic hit the iceberg and I ripped the boat to the side and it just sank. And not all the people get off the boat. These are the people who are unlucky who just drowned in that ocean. Yep. 1912. It's April 15, 1912. That's when the Titanic sank and these people got buried. That was a sorry, sorry day. And we're in the graveyard where we could see all of these things, the proof, and to pay homage to these people. Okay, folks. That's the way it goes. In the graveyard of the Titanic burial. And there we go. And with that, we would say, bon voyage. Good night.